Caitlin Jones and I work in the archive department, archive and technology services in the BBC. I just love feeling involved. From the first day, my team kind of threw me into the deep end, and it was really nice to have that level of kind of like trust and just be able to get to grips with what I'm doing in the day-to-day. And I work in the newsroom, so it's really nice to feel kind of involved and part of like a big team, so that's fun. The standout experience of my apprenticeship so far had to be working on the cwpwl by-election, just in terms of being in the newsroom. It was so buzzing and everyone was so excited, and so it was just so busy and it was so full of life, and there was lots of cakes and that was nice. The most valuable thing I've learned so far is probably just how to, talk to people probably, and kind of how to function in the workplace and get to know different people, networking, and that sort of thing, and just getting to grips with office life. This is my first job, so yeah, it's just nice to get used to everything. It's definitely more than what I expected. I think when you hear archive, you think that's the old library, but it's very much hands-on, kind of day-to-day life, what's happening. History happens kind of every day, so it's just nice to be a part of that, and it's nice to feel involved in the daily running of things. My advice would be to just get stuck in, apply, definitely apply. It's such an amazing opportunity, and there's so many different fields that you can apply for as well. I would say don't shy away from maybe trying something where you're not sure maybe what it is, because you're going to learn so much there regardless, and you're going to have a great time. So, yeah.